Hi everyone! Here we are at Miss Roditha's residence. She invited me. Um, we did all our sanitation, wash our hands and everything. Say hi.
Hello, let's eat.
And Miss Chary. Yes. Hi. Anyway, this is what we have. We have the oxtail. This is really good. We have the plantain. And mango on the side. And alamang. So we got this at the Spanish restaurant. So this is my host, Miss Roditha. She's also making mask for nursing home. So that's so nice of her. And Miss Chary is a teacher. Say hi. She's at home teaching kids through internet. So
Here is my face mask.
yeah, show your face mask. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that is that is custom made by Miss Roditha.
No
So,
sewing machine.
The sewing machine by the hand. Oh, how ingenious. Napakagaling po niya talaga. So, let's taste. Tikman natin yung ating ulam. So, this is oxtail. Ayan ho. Ayan, oxtail. Ang sarap. Ano po?
Ang arthritis.
Ang arthritis. Pero sige lang.
Carry lang yan.
Carry lang yan. At plantain. So, ito parati kong pinagsasama ito. Partner ko to talaga ito. And then I wanted some mangoes para, to balance the meat. Just to balance the meat. Kaya, at least fibrous po yan at saka loaded with vitamins. Pero, this is really good. So, this is usually cooked with tomato sauce. This is Spanish cooking. Kaya masarap siya. Tomato sauce and spices. Napakasarap po.
Sarap. Let's eat.
Ayun. Sarap po kami. So, ito naman ho yung plantain. Still, it's beautiful outside. So, kita mo yung
Maria.
siyempre yung rice. Paano ako? Ito pala. Yung sandok. Magkakamay ho ako mamaya. Napakasarap ho. So, ayan. So, this is tail. Oxtail. And, of course, yung sarsa. Ayan ho ang sarsa. Napakasarap ho. So, you put the gravy and the rice on top of the rice. Ayan. Tapos, isasabay ko ho yung aking wala ba tayong pang ano na?
Bagoong.
Yung aking mangga, isasabay ko sa aking ito na lang. Gusto ko hong inuulam kasi ang mangga. Sinasabay ko siya sa ulam ko. So, ganito ho yan ang itsura niya. Ito yung bagoong.
Bagoong.
Ayan, bagoong. So, ganito ho yan ang itsura niya. Di ho ba? Ayan. Napakasarap hong kumain pagka ganito ang kakainin. So, ito ho. So, thank you again. This is Cora Pinay Diva. Always subscribe and click the like button and the bell for notification. So, keep watching. Thank you.
Thank you, Maria.
Bye. You're welcome, Roditha.